I can't hear you. Can you please speak, Devika? Swaroop, can you speak?
Which red diagrams are going to come? He said you didn't see them.
Ray diagrams, ray diagrams are not going to come in the exam.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Who said?
I'm saying
I'm
that
saying that
Swarup has
Swaroop
asked
has
you,
asked
na,
you na
for which
for which
diagrams are
diagrams are Swaroop
going to be.
asked me, Swaroop WhatsApped me, I called Swaroop. Swaroop missed my call. He did not have the interest to call me back also. Swaroop, did you call me?
No, sir.
No, sir. Why? बैलेंस नहीं था बेटा. बताओ क्या है प्रॉब्लम क्या है. रे डायग्राम्स आर नॉट देयर इन योर बुक बट टेबल इज देयर. Okay, this was taught in 10th standard, that's why it is not mentioned in 11th class. But why this chapter is there again? Because this is important. See students, I am not happy with you. This is not the way to work. I don't work in this way. I have already told to your parents. Okay, if you were so interested, Devika, you could have called me. Forget Swaroop. Swaroop is doing whatever. Did you call me? Did you call me and ask me for any rescheduling of class, for anything? You used to call me or not? Speak. No, you try to speak. No, I want you to speak, not your sister to speak. Can you speak? Huh? Did you ask me, sir? Should I
No,
do
sir. No,
while
sir.
while I was teaching you? Did I teach you or not? First, tell me that, both of you. Rishabh, is it important or not?
Yes, sir. It is
Yes, sir.
important.
Did anybody tell you that it's not going to come in the exam? Are you going to study everything for exam point of view? Swaroop, are you going to study for exam point of view? I'm sorry. This is, if you want to work like this is the last month. You may discuss with madam. I am going to write to madam today that I am not going to teach. I am not going to continue. Okay? Please. This is the last month I am teaching. You can discuss. I am not happy. Swaroop, you are not like this before. I thought you are a very good student. You are very understanding. But why are you behaving like this to me, with me from last so many days? So teacher is not going to consult to your mother. We are complaining because we understand that it is your future. Those teachers who are don't bother about student, they only work for the money. Okay, anyway we are getting payment. Whatever may happen to students, we don't care. Then those teachers are not worried. We are worried because we think that it is for your future. If you don't study, if you don't learn properly, then you will be losing out. And why should I remind? I don't have other jobs. Should I remind you again and again that you are not submitted assignment? I was also student and I used to go after my teachers. I used to go after my teachers. Sir, please help me. My teachers used to tell, no, we are not available. Now it is other way around. Teacher is going after student. Just a normal, I discussed in the class, very clearly I discussed in the class that you are all supposed to submit all the ray diagrams, whatever is mentioned. In your book it is not mentioned, it was mentioned in 10th class. Now it is only a table is mentioned because this maybe Maharashtra State Board is like that. I don't know. I don't want to comment because my comments are being taken in the wrong way. That I am thinking that Maharashtra State Board is not up to the mark. I take my words. I am really sorry. I fold my hands. I will not say anything. I am going to teach strictly as per your book. Okay, not going to do anything. You listen, you understand, don't understand. I don't care for the this thing. And I am until your parents speak to me, until I get a call from both of your parents with madam that what is the problem, why such kind of behavior is there. Until then, I am not going to continue. This is the last month I am going to continue with you. Okay? You may think whatever, but this is, I work in this way. I don't work in the other way teachers. I am different. You can ask Rishabh. Rishabh learned from me last 2 years. Ask Rishabh, how am I? I'm a very strict teacher when it comes to learning. I will teach you. I will go ask Rishabh. He used to call me. Many students call me at 11 o'clock also. I pick up calls. I am not like your college teachers who don't this thing. Again, I don't want to comment, but I am not like other teachers. I am different. I believe I am different because I want to give you the best. Swarup, you are interested to go for this thing, no, army. Army, not only bookish knowledge. You need to have lot of, I told you again and again. If you are not obedient, that's all. What you will do? First of all, you need to be obedient. What is being asked? Whatever is, we are giving you recording. I am giving you recording also. You are saying, sir, it is not available in the book. Not available in the book. That's why I taught you. Did you go to the recording, Swarup? Did you go through the recording?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you? Why did you ask me then? It is not there in the book. Where should I write? Why did you ask me that? Speak. No. Why did you ask me? Sorry, students. You may think different, but I am like that. I work like that. You have not seen such a this thing. I am not happy from last so many days. I am not happy. Okay. I try to give my maximum. I try to give more than 100%. I am not able to come due to medical reason. My parents are there, and my in my society 5 people have got COVID, active cases, which they are not reducing from last 1.5 months. Okay, everybody is forcing me to come there. I will come there. I don't want you to get this thing, and I have a responsibility towards society. That's why I'm not able to come. If you're thinking that this is a problem for you, choice is yours.
Sorry, sir.
What sorry? I not happy. This is not sorry. You could have told sorry. If you really mean sorry, no, you could have called me Swarup. Forget about Devika. Devika is dependent on Swarup. Devika calls for any other thing. Devika calls. Sir, can you take tomorrow class? I am not available. You call me directly. But for this one, Devika will not call. Every time your teacher has to accommodate you, teacher has to listen to you, all your problems, sir, this problem, that problem. Everybody, I am there. I am helping you do this. I am sending you notes, sending you books. Still, we are getting penalized. Okay, my mood is gone actually, but what to do? It's my duty to teach you. So what was taught last class? Where were we? Rishabh, can you tell me where were we?
Yes,
Rishabh,
sir.
yeah, can you tell me? I don't want to shout today. Please tell me where were we? Where I want to continue. Tell me.
We were at bulk modular.
Not that one, yeah. I am teaching you separately. Optics, where were we?
Okay, optics. One minute. The refraction, the total internal refraction.
We finished that one, right?
That condition and that also.
No, you did not come in the last class, so you don't know that. Swarup, where were we?
Prism, yes sir, I was not at that class.
Swarup, where were we? And you didn't bother to look also. I know that. Swarup, where were we?
In that video.
Swarup, where were we? Swarup? Swarup, will you speak or you want me to go out, disconnect and go? Are you going to speak now? I'm asking you where were we?
Yes, sir.
So speak, no, why? What is the problem? The past is past. If you worry about past, then you cannot go ahead. Tell me, where were we?
The transistor, I think, of an amplifier.
What are you speaking, man? Rishabh,
Sir,
you are
prism one.
transistor as an amplifier. You are 12th class. Huh?
Sir, you
Prism, no?
uploaded that video, no?
Prism. Uploaded video for you, not for you. Not 12th also studying, no. For you, it is
Okay, okay,
Prism.
sorry, sir.
Prism we studied, no? Last class.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
I could know that what you have learned, what you have seen now. Transistor and amplifier you have seen. Is it for you? So we studied Prism. We studied Mirage. We studied looming. What is looming? I explained to you. What is Mirage? What is total internal reflection? Application of total internal reflection. And also I taught you where it is being used. Everything I have taught. Okay, these are the some of the physical application, physical natural phenomenon which is seen for total internal reflection. So rainbow also is one of that. Rainbow is an eye-catching phenomenon where you can see that Vibgyor, we can see that 7 colors. Yes or no? 7 colors are split. Again, this also works on the total internal reflection only. Yes or no?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
And also the phenomenon of splitting of light, dispersion. We have seen that if you have prism and if you focus a white light, this will split like this. Like this. So the maximum will be red, minimum will be, the maximum deflection will be for violet, minimum deflection will be for red. This will be the wavelength is maximum. All this is everything is been taught. Understood? And when is rainbow is seen? Rainbow is seen during the rainy season. Normally whenever there is a sun and there are rain, if both are there, then only you will see rainbow. Why? Because droplets of rain behave like glass prism. They behave like glass prism. And when the light from sun comes and falls, they split into white light like this. That's why. Nothing. Only thing is that whatever you saw in prism, the concept is same. Only thing that a glass prism, the water droplets, they act like they represent the glass prism. They are not triangular, but they somewhat they will when they fall like this. Have you seen how they fall? They fall like this fashion. So if you see, this is like a small prism. Yes or no? Small prism. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
And what are the condition? Condition I told you, you should have light, you should have sun rays, and you should have rain. These are mandatory for any rainbow. Primary rainbow. What is primary rainbow? What is secondary rainbow? So okay, it is okay. Let me read out. During the formation of rainbow, the rays of sunlight incident on the water drops deviate and disperse, which I taught you. Internally reflect once and twice, and finally refract again into air. At all stages, there are angular dispersion, which lead to a clear separation of the colors. Means what is happening? I will tell you what happens. See, there is a water droplet. Here there is a water droplet. Here there is a water droplet. So first, let's say there is a sunlight here. Sunlight will fall. So sunlight falls, this will disperse. Again sunlight falls here, this will disperse. So again sunlight will fall here, this will disperse. So all this 7 light here, for this drop, 7 light here. So that's why it is look like a band of light. That's why it looks like a band of light. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rest you can read, you can understand. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Clear? Now we will go to defects of lenses. What are defects of lenses? What do you mean by defect? Can you tell me what is defect? Anybody? What is defect? What do you understand by a word called defect? What is defect? Rishabh? You have never heard this word?
Sir, something missing or problem?
Very good. Some problem, something. If I say there is a defect in the car, that means the car is not working as it's supposed to be. Cycle should work. Earphone should give some sound, nice sound, whatever you play in mobile. But here, if you play a nice song, some Luka Chupi song, and it gives something like somebody shouting, then you will say there is a problem with the earphone. Yes or no? Or you will say there is a defect in the earphone. So similarly, when you come to defect of lenses, what is defect of lenses? So now tell me, what is this? What type of lens it is this? Devika, what type of lens is this? Hmm? And what type of lens is this? Yeah, come on. Devika, you like to answer, you don't like to answer. I don't want to speak again and again. If I ask you Devika means you should answer. If you don't know, tell I don't know. I am not going to repeat, ask you again and again. Now what yes sir? I am asking you what do you mean by yes sir? I am asking you what type of lens is there. You should tell me, sir, I don't know lens or I know. What is yes sir? What is yes sir? No, I don't understand. You speak you understand English? हिंदी में बात करूँ किससे बात करूँ? तुमको मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि ये कौन सा टाइप का लेंस है और ये कौन सा टाइप का लेंस है. आप क्या बताओगे? आप बताओगे सर ये वाला बाई कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है, ये बाई कॉन्केव लेंस है. अगर नहीं पता तो बोलोगे सर मुझे नहीं पता है. दो ही आंसर आएगा. यस सर क्या है? Swaroop, what is this type of lens? See, if Devika is not able to answer, please be interactive. Please be interactive. I cannot shout. Please understand, I cannot shout. I'm frustrated actually, Swaroop. Sorry. I was very happy before. I love physics, huh? I'm sorry to say, I love physics. That's why I'm not able to shout. What type of lens it is? Come on, anybody.
Sir, first one is convex.
Biconvex,
Second one
no?
is concave.
Very good. 1 minute. Just wait. Hello. She called. Bhumika. Guys, just a minute. Bhumika, hi. अरे उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम है वो जो डिक्लेरेशन का ना? हाँ. ओके, तो थर्ड आप एनेक्सर 3 की बात बोल रहे हो, राइट? गणेश, you told me that you have a doubt in annexure 1. I explained you. The problem is in annexure 3, where you are writing yes or no. Correct. So you have to write why yes, why no. You have to write the reason. You asked me for 1, I explained you 1. There was no problem with the 1. But you didn't ask me about 3, no? Did you ask me about 3? No. So the problem is with the 3. We have to write why yes. Why are you saying yes? Why are you saying no? That is what the reason they are asking. Very simple. That's it. Fill it up and send it. No. Who said? Balaji. Balaji V. Balaji V. I only trained him personally. I only told him to put remarks. I don't know how he said. You can tomorrow. I am doing something else. You can call me tomorrow. But don't waste time, Ganesh. You just put the reason and send it. That's it. We will raise it. Okay? Yeah. Close it and send it to Bhumika. Yeah. Thank you, Bhumika. For yes and no, everything you have to mention remarks. Why yes, why no. Okay? Yes. Simple. Thank you, Bhumika. Sorry, Rishabh, what you were telling? What is this type of lenses? Biconvex, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is biconcave.
Biconvex.
Very good.
Okay.
So, what is the nature of biconvex lens? It is always to converge. Yes or no? It is always converge. Similarly, the nature of the convex concave lens is what? To
Diverge.
diverge. So now tell me, if this lens instead of converging, it is, let's say it is converging, it is normally supposed to converge in the principal axis. But let's say if it converging here, so what is this? Is this not a defect?
Yes, sir.
So if you study biology, I don't know whom are you. Do you have biology in your subject?
No, sir.
Yeah. If you don't know, in your 10th standard you would have studied eyeball. Understood?
Eyeball, yes, sir.
Eyeball also is a biconvex lens. So remember, this is a retina. Retina is nothing but a screen. Okay, so you have an image here. There is a man standing. So what happens? The ray from here will go like this. The ray from here will go like this, and they will merge here, and the image is seen here. Understood? So what this does?
Yes, sir.
This also converges. So if the converging is not happening properly, that's why you get specs. Because there is a problem. This is a muscular. This is not a some kind of glass. This is something like a jelly type of object lens. So if the lens, but this human lens is will converge and diverge, will become thin and thick depending on the requirement. Okay, so this is very what is adjustive in nature. But if you have a problem, then you will not be able to see. So that's why you use an additional lens, which will correct the aberration. Hence, the defect of lenses is normally says to be aberration. Aberration means defect. In the glass there is some defect. So there are different type of defects or different type of aberration, because of which the lens do not work as they're supposed to be. Is it clear? Is it clear or not clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. The first type of aberration is called chromatic aberration. What is chromatic aberration? So chromatic aberration is nothing but if the image of the object, there is an image of there is a there is a object here and there is a lens here. Understood? So instead of merging, what happens? Where is the if you draw this infinity? If you have focus infinity, where it is going to merge? Normally, where it is going to merge? After the object is at infinite, where will the image be created? Refer the notes where the image is going to be created. What happened? I'm asking you question, guys. Huh?
Sir, can you come again?
Sorry, I'm asking, if the object is at infinite, parallel rays are coming. So where it is going to where the object is or image is going to be created?
Sir, on F1.
Which
F1.
side? This side or this side?
Right side.
That's all the question is. Answer is. Say that it is going to be at focus. So ideally, if you have a white light coming, this is a white light, this is a white light. Everything should be merging at focus. Everything should merge at focus. Now, what is the problem? What this actually should happen, but what happens when you are using a defective lens? So white light will have all colors of light. You have violet, red, everything. So what is happening? The red is merging here. Okay, blue is merging here. This is violet and this is red. The red light and other colors are somewhere here. That means different colors of light are merging in different focus. Ideally, wherever it is merged is the focus. Actual focus it is not merging, and that too, the it is not that the white light there is only one ray merging. Multiple rays are merging. Red is separate, violet is separate, blue is separate, gray is separate, indigo is separate, yellow is separate, orange is separate. Understood?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
This is called chromatic aberration. That means because of the what do you mean chromatic color, the defect is due to the light. That means this lens is behaving weird. It is not a prism to do dispersion. It is not prism to do dispersion. It is clear biconvex lens whose work is only to what converge, only to converge. Understood? But it is splitting light, and that too the converging is not happening at one. It is not at white light, it is getting split and then converge, which is wrong, and this is called chromatic aberration. Understood? Understood or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Devika, understood?
sir.
मीटिंग में कुछ है क्या, अर्जेंट है क्या? हाँ बोलो ना, अर्जेंट है क्या कुछ? हाँ मैं तो कर दूंगा, मैं समझा, मैं उसका चेंजेस करवाऊंगा, मैं करवा दूंगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. हाँ हाँ. Okay. So all of you is clear, no? Same thing happens for biconcave lens also. Means, so what should happen? They should diverge, no? Yes or no? Huh? Like this happens. That means, oh, not like this. Like this happens. So each, when you extend, each is going to merge differently. These are what? Virtual image. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These are virtual image, because actual ray is here. So this is all virtual image. Please remember. So you will have multiple images. So if you see the problem, no, you can see. I don't know whether you have seen, but if you take some defective lens does not work. If you look through the lens, no, you will see multiple objects. Have you seen multiple images? Multiple images, because lens
Yes, sir.
loses its power, converging power, diverging power. So this is a defect which needs to be corrected. Everybody is clear what is chromatic aberration? Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what you should do? So what you are going to do? Tell me. What can be done to how do we rectify? What is the solution of rectification? You cannot completely rectify the chromatic aberration. First thing, complete rectification of chromatic aberration is not possible. Complete rectification is not possible. Then what we should do? What you should do? You should not use extreme colors. That means you don't use complete don't use white color completely. You use red color, or you only use violet color or blue color, like this. You don't use white color. This is one way. So don't use all colors or extreme colors. Don't use extreme colors. Extreme colors means, which is the extreme? If you see, what is the extreme color here? Violet or red? Yes or no? So try to use blue, green, or what? Yellow. These two colors you try to use. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And next what? What we can do? We can use combination of lenses. You can use combination of lenses. We learned already f combination is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3. Yes or no? Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
use combination of lenses which will correct it. Which will correct it. So these are the two methods. If you can correct, we can correct the chromatic aberration. Chromatic aberration can be reduced, but cannot be what? Cannot be completely removed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now coming to the next. What is next? What is the next aberration? What is the next aberration? Next aberration is called lateral chromatic aberration. Lateral, one minute, not lateral. What is this? One minute. Spherical aberration, no? What is there in the book? Yeah, spherical aberration. Longitudinal spherical aberration, transverse spherical aberration. Yeah, yeah. What is it? So next we'll come to the called spherical aberration. Longitudinal spherical aberration. What is longitudinal spherical aberration? What happens? What is it? Hey, is it taught in your class school, students? Is it taught?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not taught, no? Okay. Okay, no problem. So this spherical aberration means same light is being used. You are using multiple light. There are multiple rays which is coming. I try to understand. This is the principal axis. So now this is one ray only. There are no different ray. Only I am using only one color of light. This ray is merging here. But this ray is merging here. Understood? One ray is merging here. Same color. This is not different color. All are blue color only. That means there is some problem. There is some problem in the longitudinal. This is called longitude. Yes or no? Do you know Earth? This is called what? These are latitudes. And these are what?
Yes, sir.
Longitudes. Yes or no? So there is some problem
Yes,
in
sir.
the longitudinal axis. Some in this type of extreme ones, it is properly coming, but here it is coming here. So there is a problem in the longitudinal axis. Clear? Or transverse axis. It is called transverse. You can say longitudinal, perpendicular, this way. Problem. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how do we correct that? How do we correct that? To correct this, we can use plano-convex. Means, what is plano-convex? This is plano-convex. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you use plano-convex, then you can eliminate, you can reduce. Use plano-convex. I already taught you. Don't remember? Please watch. Please write down. Physics, you cannot hear story. Aurangzeb did not come. You have to write down, practice. Devika, you have to practice. Okay? Stop
Yes,
complaining and practice. How much you are writing? That day test you did well. When I took test laws of motion. But why you are not able to score? Did you copy that test? Devika? Devika?
Yes,
Devika,
sir.
did you copy that test?
No, sir.
Then why you are not scoring properly? You did well in that test. You got 15 out of 20. But why in your school you got less marks?
Because So there was MCQs and I was confused between them.
But your mom said you are not, I am not able to, I am not teaching properly, I am not able to, I am not teaching from book. Did I not teach from book, from your book?
So that's not the point.
Then what is the
Because
point?
my moms know I'm good at every subject. Only at physics and chemistry I am little that.
So,
Like
so you are, so you should be working hard, no? Half of the time you don't answer in the class. If you are not good in physics and chemistry, you should answer, no? You should discuss more. You are remaining silent most of the times. Am I treating you differently? Huh? Swarup, I'm teaching more. Devika, I'm not teaching you. Swarup, is it like that?
No, sir.
Then ask doubts. No, I'm asking you, Devika, many a times. This was my observation from day one itself. I have been teaching you last 6 months. Whenever I ask, yes, sir, you don't reply. Doubts, you don't ask me. Did you ask any doubts to me? No. Every time I ask, yes, sir. So if you're not good at one subject, I don't know about other subject. If you're not good in physics or you're not able to score in physics, you should try to resolve with me. You try to call me, sir. I don't understand this. Please teach me. I have never got any time any query from you. Never, never, not even once. So first thing is that to avoid longitudinal aberration, one is use plano-convex lens instead of completely biconvex lens. This is one way. And next is ratio of curvature. That means use different ratio curvature. Means one is small and maybe this one will be small. Maybe like a different ratio. Like how if I take a spherical, if I cut this, I can get this one. This type of lens. This will be a different. This will be R1. This will be R2. If you see, this will be a different. Why? This will be R1 and this will be R2. So R1 is greater than R2. You can use this type of lenses where it will not be perpendicular. If you see, this is perpendicular, but if you see this one, this is not perpendicular. Yes or no? Can you see? This is like what? Like a banana. Yes or no? Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So here also it is same. Here also R1 R2. So try to use R1, both this one, R1 R2 is same. Because they are cut like this. How? They are cut, they are cut like this. And they are cut like this and both are joined together. One piece cut here, one piece cut like this, and both are joined. That's why R1 R2 remains same. Try to use lenses of different radius of curvature. Then only it will work. Is it clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if you use this type of elimination method, we can reduce the what? Curvature. We can reduce the aberration. Aberration cannot be completely reduced. Again and again, you might get MCQ. Can you completely make the aberration zero? No. Nothing is perfect. Defect is everywhere. You can only eliminate or reduce the aberration and not completely avoid. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
next topic is optical instruments. I will just give intro and then we will end the class. Optical instruments. What are optical instruments? What are the optical instruments you know? Tell one by one. Swarup, you start with.
Glasses.
Huh? Glasses is an instrument.
Prism.
It's an instrument. Huh?
Telescope.
Glasses is not an instrument here. Come on.
Sir,
Telescope.
microscope.
Yeah. Binoculars. Microscope. What else? What else?
That magnifying glass.
Biscope. These are mainly instruments. Okay. Periscope. These are the optical instruments. Don't say magnifying glass, spectacles. They're not instrument. Yeah. They're not. They're worth of 500, 600,000 rupees. These are worth of how much? 15,000, 1 lakh, crores. You know what is the largest telescope? Hubble telescope. Have you heard?
Yes, sir.
You know where it is? Where it is? USA. Huh?
So don't know about that.
Don't know. It is in the space. It is in the space. Okay, Hubble telescope in the space. So it's the biggest telescope in the world. Okay, you can Google and see Hubble telescope. It is a amazing. It's a very big. It's I don't know how many crores it is. How much crore? Billion and billions of rupees. They are they have the thickest lenses. Lenses will be maybe of the size of a building. One building is nothing in front of him. That much thick it is. You can imagine how big it is. Okay. So what does the optical instrument do? What is the purpose of the optical instrument? Come on. What is the purpose of the optical instrument? Why? Why do you use optical instrument? Why do you use binocular?
To see far off. To see closely.
Yeah. So normally binoculars are used to see far off objects. So if you want to see somebody coming, somebody normally sailors used to use sailors or some fighters. They used to there used to be a one bigger, thicker one. It's called biscope. Single through one eye they can see, but it is difficult. Normally binoculars are double, bi. So they used to be like this. There is a lens here. There is a lens here. If you see, far off object can be seen. So optical instrument first purpose is to see far off objects. So what this do? Far off object from the far off objects are focused on. Obviously, we already learned infinite. So they will try to be merged. Far off object will try to be merged here. So you can see nearer. And mostly all these lenses are what lenses? Convex lenses. Understood? What lenses?
Yes, sir.
Convex lenses.
Convex.
Similarly, you have other lenses. What lens? You have telescope. Why telescope? Telescope, there are two types of telescope. One is called astronomical telescope, and one is called terrestrial telescope. Terrestrial. Terrestrial telescope is used on the earth to see object like binocular, not exactly binocular. But astronomical telescope is used to see what? Sun, moon, star. Obviously, these will be very, very costly. You cannot compare. These will be in lakhs. Maybe this will be in thousands. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next is called microscopes. What is microscope? Micro means smaller objects. You want to see the amoeba, you want to see corona, how? You take sample and check. You cannot see the naked eye. So there are also two types. One is called electron microscope. One is called compound microscope. And one is called laboratory microscope. These are used in have you seen your laboratory? Like this is to be there, and one sample is to be there. Yes or no? Black color. You can get it for
Yes,
thousands,
sir.
5,000, 7,000 you can get. Compound microscope little costlier, and electron microscope are costliest. You cannot see corona through laboratory microscope. You can see only in electron microscope. Corona, very very small objects, viruses, or electrons, protons. You can see that. It's worth of lakhs and lakhs. So detail we will study about in the next class. With that we will end this chapter. Okay, clear guys?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
after end of the class, We will end on Saturday. When is our class? Next class? Saturday, no?
Saturday.
Yeah. So Saturday is our Saturday or this thing, yeah? I don't know.
Friday, sir.
Whichever. No, whichever day. Not you, Rishabh.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Next time, no. You are
Saturday
running
and
different.
Sunday, sir.
Whenever Saturday or Sunday, whenever the class is Saturday or Sunday, the next class Tuesday. Oh, sorry, Wednesday. Our next class. Next to next class. That day I will take test. Be ready for the test. Test on optics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.